Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video I have this Vivo it's Vivo Y11 2019. As you can see, has locked to a forgotten pin, as you can see here. Then what you need to do to this phone, when you try to set it manually, it requires a forgotten password. In this video, we have forgotten a password. What we are going to do, first, you need to open this back cover. As you can see, this is the phone, and then we are going to use a test point with this type of thing. As you can see, we use this for test point most of the times. Then let's go to the video. We are going to use a unlock tool. Then let's go to the video. I'm going to open unlock tool. Unlock tool, we go to Vivo. Then we are going to search for Y11. And we are going to click on it here, the first one. And then we go to Broom or EDL mode. After there, we click on Res FRP. Clicking there, let's go to our phone. And here, the test point is not these two. You need to remove this battery. And if possible, remove this also. And then peel this black shell here. And the test point is right here on these 2 points. These 2 points first. 2 points. Right? Then let's go. You need to peel this on that comes on a battery and do the test point. Then here you need to fix this one and let the battery the way it is. But away the process begins. And do the hard reset also. Hard reset. As you can see, the factory reset in the FRP is done. As you can see there. Then we go to phone, remove the cable, introduce the battery, and turn on the phone. I'll fast forward this video to make it short. I'll fast forward here to make it short. As you can see, it's doing a hard reset. In some cases, it will take some minutes, 5 minutes, something like that. Then let's go. We choose English. As you can see, we removed the FRP already. And this video is for FRP and hard reset. When you try to hard reset your phone and the phone is looking for a forgotten PIN, password or pattern, and this is the right way. Then skip. Next. Skip again. Skip. Skip. Next. Skip. And use now. Right away, the phone is done already. It's done already. As you can see, it's Android 9. It's Android 9. Then, thank you for watching. It's Vivo Y3. This is the name. Y3, Y11 is the same thing. And the building number is in V1938. Thank you for watching. See you another video. Don't forget, it's a test point.